Okay, I'm gonna make a few videos on my Emacs configuration, and in this first video I'm gonna show a fresh install, how that's gonna work. So first I have to uh, remove some things for privacy reasons, so I'm gonna remove this. And then to make a fresh install I will go and remove this too. So I'm gonna move this to a backup directory, and then I'm gonna make a new emacs directory, and now I'm gonna hold. Okay, it can't make a shell without my configuration. Uh, my plan was to take my GitHub and I'll just browse reasonably slowly again through this. But down here I have a GitHub, and I'm gonna do it in the terminal then. Now I clone my GitHub configurations files into this. Okay. Somehow I already made some files here. And then I'm gonna clone these. Okay, now I'm gonna switch to Emacs again, and here I'm gonna quit out of Emacs, and now we'll see a fresh install, and this will take some time. There's 46 packages, and then it will install these packages. The idea is this is what will happen if I could get a new laptop or something and then install my configuration. And I've included a few things. So I have a basic agenda file structure I create in my init file, and yeah, so it will take less than 2 minutes hopefully to do this, and then maybe I'll cut this out, I don't know, but it installs all the packages, and when it's done it usually then, because there's no last date, it has auto updated, then it offers to auto update. Yeah. So now I've installed all of Emacs, and it took like 1.5 minutes. I'm just gonna show the normal startup by quitting out and restarting Emacs. And there we have it. This is how my Emacs looks when it's fresh, a fresh install. And if I'll show agenda. I start out in agenda, and I'll show agenda in another video. And but the next video will be on my configuration. This is my configuration, and it's the two main files, and I'll go through those. Thank you.